Picture this, a colossal culinary creation, an omelette so mammoth in size it dwarfs your average breakfast fare. No, this isn't a tall tale, but a beloved delicacy, straight from the vibrant streets of Korea. The giant rolled omelette. Now, you might be wondering, what does it take to create such a marvel? Well, grab your whisk and prepare to be amazed. The process begins with the most fundamental ingredient: eggs. Not just a dozen, but a staggering 60 farm-fresh eggs. Each one is cracked open with precision, the yolk and whites merging to create a sea of potential. These eggs don't go straight to the pan though. They're whisked together vigorously until the mixture is light, frothy, and perfectly blended. Next, it's time to season this ocean of eggs. A generous pinch of salt is added, followed by a scattering of finely chopped green onions. This not only adds a pop of color, but also a subtle hint of flavor that infuses the omelette as it cooks. Now comes the part that requires finesse and a steady hand. A thin layer of the egg mixture is poured onto a colossal hot griddle. As the egg begins to set around the edges, it's deftly rolled towards one end of the griddle. But that's just the beginning. Layer upon layer of the egg mixture is added and rolled, each one melding into the last until a giant golden cylinder of omelette begins to take form. Patience is key here. The omelette can't be rushed. Each layer needs its time to cook to perfection, ensuring the final product is a perfect balance of fluffy, slightly moist egginess. Once the omelette reaches its grand size, it's carefully transferred onto a cutting board, where it's sliced into thick, hearty rounds. So there you have it. A dish that's as impressive in size as it is in flavor. The giant rolled omelette. A testament to the simple art of cooking eggs, elevated to a monumental scale. It's a process that takes time, skill, and a whole lot of eggs. But the result? A breakfast delight that's more than just a meal. It's a spectacle. So, to recap, 60 eggs whipped into a frothy blend, seasoned with salt and green onions, cooked layer by layer on a hot griddle, rolled into a giant cylinder, and then sliced into delectable rounds. That's the magic of the giant rolled omelette, a Korean street food marvel that proves sometimes bigger really is better. Now, isn't that a dish worth waking up for?